Drop Trader, 7th of August 2024. We are looking at ES. This is 15 minutes chart on the left side, and that is 5 minutes chart on the right side. We have just swept the 15 minutes London buy side up here. Let's just switch this into buy, sorry, into London. But we are very, very close to this yesterday's high. That is yesterday's high. Should be actually green. Should be green. And that's previous day high. Yep. So I'm waiting for the liquidity sweep above this level. Okay, we have just pushed into that. I'm going to short this. The strategy is very simple. You want to take 15 minutes data liquidity sweeps. So we can obviously push up here. That's why you don't commit everything at the same time. Been done here today. You don't commit all your contracts. I trade with 2-3 contract maximum. So market opened, pushed into London buy side, pushed into yesterday's high. That push wasn't big. We just had one point push. So there's always a risk. If you push one more time, 2-3 points is the proper liquidity take. That's why I'm only committing one contract. There you go. And I'm gonna go with another trade here. Somewhere here. Once we take yesterday's high, and we can take this Asia buy side from Friday. But if we don't, then there we go. We are sitting nicely in the trade. Obviously, the moment we get here, market will most likely reverse a little bit. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. It's nothing. Let's just start this voice news. I'm not so sure if I was recording my voice. I took that liquidity sweep on yesterday's high, and I'm gonna try to close this first somewhere here. With hope that it will come back one more time and I will be able to re-enter my short one more time. And if this doesn't happen, So we have been, what was it? Maybe 6, it was like 5 points. That was a good 5-pointer. Hopefully we're going to go and grab that low one more time so I can close it somewhere here. Just to grab that 5 points, initial 5 points. Usual market tries a second time. That'll be like a second push into liquidity. That's what usually happens. Oh, come on. All right. So 250. Why I don't see that? I don't know why. There you go. It's just slow. Count history. 250. That's a good trade. We're happy with that. And now let's hope market's gonna come back up again somewhere here into this area. Usually does like a second push. We do have at this point we have this liquidity that could be taken. Oh, that's beautiful. Go back up here. I'm tempted actually. I'm tempted, but I'm gonna wait a little bit now. 43. Yeah, the ideal scenario is if we go and grab that. I want to be short again. Most likely we'll push through this high as well. If we do. Yeah. 44. We got 1 more minute. 40 seconds. Have I missed my opportunity to short this? Oh, where's it? 50. Yeah, I'm gonna try to short this one more time somewhere. I think that looks good to be swept this bid. Come on, push into that level. There we go. So we got it. And now target could be somewhere here the second time. Ideal scenario, if we just drop, grab that liquidity. So I'm going to close it somewhere here once we take that liquidity down here. $887. That's a decent trade. we can push through that 15 minutes liquidity up here because we just created a new candle. So again, you have to be prepared for a little push above your entry, but it's not 100%. You know, doesn't need to happen. Can happen. Doesn't need to happen. But if it happens, I want to add above somewhere. Yeah. Second entry. Maybe even high. You know, just to give a little bit of. There we go. No, we didn't get that entry. So now we took yesterday's high, Asia buy set from Sunday night. It's just the perfect situation to stay in this trade and expect reversal. Bear in mind that at night we have been here at 235. So yes, we can continue higher, and if we do, we'll have to take the loss. It's quite strong actually. It's quite strong open, but 27, 46. We took a lot of liquidity from up here, and should expect reversal. That's your first target. Opening price, so I might even close at the opening price somewhere here, $680. We'll be all right with that. So we have first push, second push, and market is giving up right now. If I had two contracts, if I entered that second one, I'll be probably closing one somewhere here once we get there. So if you're sitting in a two contracts, you can close one the moment we push through this 5 minute, or just in front of it. Because the usual market does this, comes back up, and then we can continue on. So you know what? I am actually going to add here. Let's see if that was a good decision or not, but so we can close one here and hold the other one somewhere lower into this liquidity. Lots of trapped shorts here, so you have to close it before. Okay, 49, so 50, expect 950. I need to switch to New York time. At 950, expect the algo, 950 algo. Macro, it's called macro in ICT. Macro delivery. Let's see which way it's gonna go. I really don't see a reason to continue high at this point after they bought a lot of stuff here. They've been basically pumping all night up into yesterday's high. All the shorts, everybody who was short here just got smoked up here. So yeah.
It's been 10 minutes time now at the top of the hour. Do you see the release of the Canadian IB PMI for the month of July? Prior read was 62.5.
Let's wait. And if we have to take the loss, we'll take the loss. Market is a bit strong, so you have to be careful with this. I'm gonna go. I can't choose this. 51, 951. Let's see if we get the delivery to the downside. Liquidity has been taken. Remember that. Just have that in your mind. That they have sold into stop losses up here. So if they sold, and we are shorting because it's basically it's a negative. We've been going down. Our trend is down. So any kind of pop, it's wise to short, right? Let's Let's see if we're gonna get the breakdown now. Somewhere here. Oh, I'm gonna close a bit earlier than that. It is holding. It is holding. I'm not really happy with that, but I guess they are building up a position up there. Short position. Got 52 past. I'm going to replace one of my position, which is basically get a little bit better position with a push. It's 52. We got still 8 minutes. So with 8 minutes, we could get a nice drop within 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes right now. Okay, so I'm going to close one here because I have replaced my. I just want to replace the just to move my position a bit higher, so that's what I did. And let's hope we're gonna drop now. Been sitting up here 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Sorry, 4 candles. That's 20 minutes. Right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that is 20 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes of trading up there. A 15-minute candle is done here. That's the bottom of 15-minute candle. That means that we have to cover one here. There's no other. A little bit below. One tick below. 54. Do I want to add up here? Let's wait a little bit. 15 more seconds on this candle. Let's see what this candle. I'm not going to add more. 2 is enough. If we catch the move to the downside, we're pretty much done. We're pretty much done for the day. Okay. We got 55. Well, let's see. They're going to deliver. Here's the 15-minute candle. So here we got the liquidity. They could go grab it and then reverse and go higher, so you have to be prepared for that. I could close both of them here. It will be, what is it, $600?
Just under 5 minutes time now at the hour. See the release of the Canadian IB PMI. Prior read was 62.5.
But we try to catch a bigger move. And you see how that yesterday's high. Oh, shut up. You see how yesterday's high, how is this acting right now? Yesterday's high, London buy side, yesterday's high, and basically the top of the move from Sunday night. It's a huge resistance. Why? Because we have trapped people up here. You know, they're hoping to get out from from Friday. This Friday is very heavy, and it's going to weigh on the market for a while. A lot of people got caught here, so I don't like the fact that we took that 5 minute and we reversed up here. Not very happy with this. Well, let's see. 56. 57. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of push. Okay, we got a push higher. Let's just see. I'm not going to add anything at this point. This thing can just fly, and I need to be prepared to take the loss. But so far, I like the fact that they took that. We do have a little bit, this is where the liquidity starts. Trap liquidity. I mean, it was there as well, but it's like a final liquidity here. Okay, pushing higher. 57. Two more minutes on this candle. What they can do, they can push through the top of the 15, because we're going to have a 15-minute candle top right now here. So what they can do, they can still push a bit higher. Or we could reverse. I still think we should get some kind of reversal. So let's watch this. We did get this little drop, but I think there will be one more to collect liquidity a second time. 59 passed, we got 15 more seconds. Boom, we got some push. Not gonna add. I want to see how this market's gonna behave now. All right, we're pushing into this trap liquidity. $59, 20 more seconds. Let's just leave it. Yeah, I didn't like that drop and come back. That wasn't a great situation. Okay, now I'm gonna add my final position. Okay. Yeah. And now I'm gonna wait for a drop. A lot of people who were shorting with me, we got stopped. I mean, they got stopped. I didn't get stopped because I'm still holding. And at this point, it's all about not making money anymore, just to minimizing a loss. And that's it. So my target has to be somewhere, somewhere up here, really. Yeah, so that's the main problem every single time. We've been in profit here. We could have taken, I was probably like $200, $300. It's up to you how you want to trade. I just got a bit confident, maybe too confident in this drop, but I still think I'm gonna drop. I'm gonna get a reversal somewhere here, and I'm gonna get out from this position for maybe, I don't know, minus $200 or something. So we did push for the 15 minutes. That was a 15-minute candle up here. that push through that level. We'll see. Tick chart back to 0. Let's quickly have a look here. We're sitting below 0. That's supposed to be 0. Yeah. So market had a different idea. They decided to push a little bit higher, but that doesn't mean we're not going to drop. We took everybody out. That was concerning. This little drop here and comeback wasn't a great situation. That was a moment when I was like, okay, well, we shouldn't see that, but that's fine. We're gonna try to get out with -$100 or -$200, I guess, something like that. A little bit higher than this candle. Tick chart drop to 0. We might try one more time, break it, and start going lower. So who knows? There we go. So we're out -$137. And you know why I was confident. I mean, market has to reverse after such a, after taking so many levels, they need to reverse. That was just a nasty push to take these shorts, to take me out basically. I didn't allow them to take me out. All right, so we did tapped into this liquidity, trapped liquidity. People got out, fine. We could, technically speaking, but I'm not going to do it. Jump on the little long, which could push somewhere here, but I'm not going to do this. I'm not doing stuff like this anymore. What I'm going to look for at this point is we have this liquidity sweep down here. And there we go, and it's going back to yesterday's low, yesterday's high. Probably it's going to reverse somewhere here. Let's look at this liquidity. So they pushed, we reversed because of this trap liquidity up here. The moment we pushed into it, whoever was still long from Friday had an opportunity to get out. There was a lot of people here. A lot of people. When they were getting out, they were selling. They were selling. So now we're going to be looking to short this one more time. Let's see how far we can go. Can we get this up here into this liquidity? Yeah. Let's try to catch this somewhere here. Can we get it? Can we get it? We just need one more tick higher, 2 ticks higher. Let's wait for another push. It's 7 and 40 seconds. Come on, push into it. Is it going to push? I have no idea. But I want to catch this somewhere here. I want to catch, because we still have that liquidity to grab. Yeah, well, let's just be patient. Let's see if we can get this a little bit higher. What's the price here? 52, and this is 59. There we go. Got it. Lovely. And target 15-minute liquidity. Sweep, which is down here, which is on the candlestick is here, but when I'm looking at the volume profile, I see this here. That's the main chunk of liquidity. I could go and grab it. Because last time we visited there, we had a support of this thing, and we pushed. We sold one more time, and now we can go. We got some people who were longing that, right? It's 9 past. It's 10:09, and in 5 minutes we'll complete that 15-minute liquidity. 1, 2, 3. Let's just mark that as well. I want to mark this. There will be another liquidity, but we just revisited it, so I don't think. Okay, I'm just really tempted to add, but let's try one more time. It would have been better if we just entered up here, like once we push into this. That. Oh, there you go. That would be better. That's okay. And now, because of this liquidity, I have to close one trade here, and I can hold the other one a little bit lower. That's it. Stop loss is obviously above this high. If we go higher than that, then I have to close everything. I mean, I can give a little bit of wiggle room. Doesn't need to be so close. But look at tick chart. We've been very, very high up there. 1,600. We dropped. The market was going up while we were dropping on tick chart. So there is divergence as well. We dropped once, we dropped second time. Whoever is interested to build a position on a short side, they have time to do it. 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes. That's another candle. When they build that, we're gonna go. So I'm gonna close one here. just basically into this 15-minute liquidity down here, and I'm gonna hold the second one because I think once we go, we're gonna go, and the target will be down here to grab that liquidity because we never took that bid. That's a pre-market activity, a lot of volume here. The POC is actually still up here, still down here. We haven't shifted POC higher. So there is a possibility they decide to get down here and collect everything. It's a pretty decent trade then, yeah? Let's just, if we wanted to, what was that thing? Short position, so look at it. That's 1, 2. Yeah. So what's the ratio on this thing? Risk reward 4.4. Yeah. Well, let's see. Obviously not on the full position because we have to take something out. But if we break that, we should break this low as well. Yeah. 14 past. That's going to be a 15-minute liquidity down there in 1 minute. The moment we take that low, I move my stop loss. I move my stop loss break even. Oh, I'm so tempted to grab this $500. Oh man, I am so tempted to take that 500. But what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna allow this to go high. So now risk completely removed from this trade, and that's it. If we get the push into the bottom, so tempted to grab at least one here. Come on, but we have to be patient. All right, we're breaking tick chart, trading below zero line, promising. Could get a reversal. That's very possible. Our position is pretty decent. It's quite high, so I don't think we're gonna get ticked. But at the same time, I was already $300 here. I didn't take it. Now I'm like $500 or something, right? And I'm not taking it. I'm like, shit. Should have like $600 now. Come on, break that low. There you go. Yeah, but it has to happen. They need to reverse a little bit. It's painful to hold, but it is. Oh, come on. Yeah, they can go up here and should reverse now. We still have 3.5 minutes on this candle, so they have time to lure longs into position. Tell them like, oh yeah, we keep going. We're gonna go up here. Keep buying, so we can be on the other side of your trade and load our shorts. The moment we break that liquidity, I mean, you can calculate move from here to there, from here to there. It's pretty much, yeah, it's pretty much like if I calculated, you know, measured move from up here. $750, guys. So tempted to grab that. Now we're gonna take that 5. I can reverse. Gonna take one. I took one. I wasn't patient enough. I took one. Fine. I need to pay myself because I didn't take it before. And I know they grabbed that 5. They can reverse a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. Now we're gonna hold the rest. Now it's much easier to hold because now you know we took a little bit of profit. What was that? $425. You feel more confident, and if you get stopped, you get stopped. It's all right. But if you get stopped in the whole position once you were $600 up, what are you gonna think about it? You're gonna feel terrible, and you start to revenge trading. That's what you're gonna do. You should have stayed in this position. There you go. We'll be taken now. Beautiful. And they're gonna go for another 15 minutes now. Beautiful. So they took that 15-minute liquidity. They can reverse, but I'm betting on staying in this trade. There is another one down here. Should we take it? Let's take it. Let's take it. Well done. It wasn't 1-to-4 ratio trade, like I said, because I'm not patient enough. But nevertheless, we were risking at some point $700, and we made 1,200. Let him talk. Right. Obviously needs to bounce. We got some trap people here. Bad market. Market's gonna go now, I think. All right, let's bring this. Can you see the settings? Probably not. Trading view is not responding. Yeah, I should have stayed at least to that. With I mean, would have, should have, you know, guys. You know how that works. There will be one day. Oh my God, be writing it. The problem is that I was here 350 up, and then I was down 1,400. So you got to judge that situation. You know, you have to think about it. Is this actually a good idea to hold? But look at that push. You have to withstand this push. Beautiful. Very nice push into trap liquidity. I wanna re-enter my short. Are you gonna push into that? I'm not gonna. I don't think we'll be able to. Let's see. Do you push into that? Come on. Where's the liquidity? Yeah, just watch volume profile. The volume profile will show you exactly. We have this fair value gap up here. I think I missed my opportunity. 51, 21. This is only 1 minute on the candle. Yeah. Let me just check something. When they reverse, look what they do. They come down There will be bounce when they reverse. Take it down, and there's a reverse into the liquidity, drop liquidity, and they can enter it here. So you have to watch these kind of things. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh man, no, I don't want to use market because I'll use it. I'll quickly turn off this thing. I think this is pretty decent entry. I mean, obviously this one will be much better. This is 40 and that was 41.75. But I'm looking at the time. It's 2:45. So we have been for 2.5 minutes pushing higher into liquidity, and now we can get down. By the end of this 5-minute candle, we can be down here. We can be down here. Why I don't believe in this push up? I'm gonna actually add. I don't know. This internet is slow. Paranoid, click that. Come on. Where's my entry? I did enter somewhere here. Yeah, got it. So 1 more minute on this candle and we should get a little pullback. I think somewhere here. Yeah, the last 40 seconds just drop. A new one will open and will continue on. Why? Because a lot of people got trapped here. Longs got trapped, and that's the opportunity for them to get out. They have not realized yet that the market is not continuing higher. The market sold. Market sold from, market grabbed at low, pushed up here, sold everything, and now they are empty. They need to get down somewhere here. They need to get down somewhere here, right? That's what I think. They need to get down somewhere here. Trade. Gonna close one. So this is 15-minute candle. After 15-minute liquidity, we're gonna get down there at some point, I think. If market intention is to go lower. I see. Whoever was there long is just trapped now and realizing, God damn it, market is dropping. Oof. I'm out, out, and everybody's gonna panic and out and get out. And you always think like, oh, that's a fair value gap. I wanna go buy, I wanna buy this thing. Well, yes, you can, but you're gonna be counter trading. Even the trend is up, but that's a counter trade because liquidity has been swept. Should have closed one here. Because we have a lot of time. This 15-minute candle doesn't need to be taken now. So that's a lot of time. We can bounce back and forward, bounce back and forward. I'm going to take one here. Just one here. I'll hold the second one as a runner. You're looking at this, fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, right? Yeah. They're going to use that. They're going to use because there will be a lot of buying going on here. they're going to use this against you. So you're going to create liquidity. There we go. And they're not even waiting for that. We've got 3 more minutes. That's the opening price. Should we take that here? Somewhere here. Let's keep a runner. Let's keep a runner for the show, huh? Because we made already a lot of money. And I will actually put my stop loss up here, just in case they will decide to make another reversal. So how much we made so far? That looks like $1,000, 1,400 minus 37 plus 112. And plus 250. And this is from yesterday. So I don't know. You have to count. I need to look at this. Right, approaching this is another level. You can get a response from that. That's an opening price. People, there we go. Beautiful. I'm gonna take it. 631 looks juicy, right? Guys, I started with $50,000 3 days ago. I'm trading ICT concept, 15-minute liquidity sweeps. If you want to trade like me, join this channel. Look at my commentary. Look what I do. Learn. This strategy works. Concept it's pretty straightforward. It's a good concept for day trading, for the opening price, for the first 1 hour and a half, 1 hour and a half of trading. When we are ranging, when we are taking liquidity from the top or from the bottom. Today we took it from the top. And just join the channel, subscribe. I will be going live. I'll be trading live pretty soon. I'm thinking about to start that when I get back from a holiday. We'll be trading Apex, prop firm, maybe top step. I haven't decided yet. I've been doing some Apex before. I might just continue with Apex. With Apex would be better because if you get on top step, on the 50,000 account on top step, if you get to minus 1,000, then they're going to shut down your account for the day. So I'm going to stay with Apex because you cannot know exactly how far we're going to get a push. I mean, that was my mistake here. I'm not going to lie. That I have ignored. That's a warning sign. When the market drops and then starts to reverse after taking 5 minutes here, and we have the last 5 minutes till 10 o'clock, you know they're going to be pushing high and taking this high. So I should have, but I think I was just switching, looking at calendar, looking financial juice, I don't know, talking. So I did not respond into that. I should have closed my position and re-entered high. Nevertheless, we have made probably, okay, we have made probably, what is it? This is $900, 1,007, let's say, 800, 1,700, 700, 2,100. 2,000. Yeah, $2,000 pretty much. That's what we have made today. Well, actually, 2,250, right? $2,250. Yesterday we made 2,350. The day before we made, I don't know how much, like 4,000 or something. Strategy works. Strategy is okay. It's a 50-minute liquidity sweep strategy. And it's not too fast, it's not too slow. I think it's perfect for the open. And it works in a ranging environment. This is very important. It works when the market is in the range. Is it market in the range right now? Yes, it is. This is a range. Although we are going a bit higher, but we're kind of ranging. We're grabbing liquidity, dropping, grabbing liquidity, dropping, grabbing liquidity, dropping. I would not be surprised if we end today somewhere here. Or maybe even more. Who knows? That's what market does. This is going a bit higher, but kind of in kind of ranging mode. This strategy would not work for this kind of environment when we just keep falling. But the good thing is that most of the time when they fall, they do it at night when everybody sleeps, right? Not always, but very often they will use this. That's night, market sleeps, everybody sleeps, boom. Ranging again, drop at night when everybody sleeps. This is London now. City is still sleeping, then we are ranging all night, and then got the push lower at the open, and then ranging again. Market is ranging 75 to 80% of the time. So you should not trade in a trending market every single day, because not every single day market is trending. Only 20% of the time is trending. So why would you use a strategy that is designed for only 20% of the time? That's not an edge. Your strategy should be designed for the majority of the move on the market, which is ranging. Thank you very much, guys. This is Trap Trader. We're finishing with $2,250 today. Let's look at the end one more time on our beautiful trades. 7th of July 2024. Sorry, August. It's already August. Yeah. This is from yesterday. So if you look at yesterday, it was 900. Look at that. Break even 200, 250, 1000. Break even. This is from the 5th. Minus 175, 960. That's a break even trade. 475, 1000. 425, 462, 50, 287, 700. I mean, like, come on. Join me on my Trap Trader YouTube channel. Subscribe. And see you tomorrow. Take care.